Hi friends, and welcome back to Osborne Insider, where you can get the latest information about our products, installation tips, and other news. One thing you may not have seen in our collection is these beautiful wooden cabinetry panels. We offer multiple panel designs that can add impressive detail to your plain organizational spaces. These are sized to fit most kitchen cabinets, bathroom vanities, and hutches. We also offer a few larger pieces that can be used on doors or trimmed to fit your specific project. These wooden panels are offered in different wood types, including rubber wood and cherry. Depending on the wood species you choose, the panels can be painted or stained the color of your choice. This makes it easy to match your existing cabinet work, or you can finish the panel with a contrasting color for a stunning result. The carved texture on these panels is impressive. It is a great way to elevate a simple space. We have multiple basket weave options, as well as swirled, scroll, and ellipse designs. Each panel is sanded to 150 grit to make it easy to finish when you receive it. Thank you for joining me for this Osborne Insider. If you would like to stay updated with our newest content, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, I hope you take the opportunity to build something beautiful.